There's Jean-Paul was out fishing today.
Here's a smile, look.
You had a good day?
Yeah.
Right? So you caught all these?
Yeah.
And you caught some,
Oh, is there a voice on there?
yeah,
Oh, I didn't know that.
muskies
Muskie, largemouth bass,
and a carp,
and a big carp.
about 10 pound.
Yeah.
Oh, pike too, but crappie,
Yep.
sunfish, rock bass, perch,
Bluegills, perch,
and threw back.
and lots of compliments from my bud.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Just to kind
I'll
of
just try and get the head in.
try to coax
Because
them
that's,
this way.
I don't know how much more we're going to get in that.
I don't know either.
We got a big old carp here. Just
He's got some fight.
Look at your bobber stopper. It's way up there, right?
yeah.
I was a little deeper this time, yeah.
Yeah, but that's, you're 8 feet deep and you're 6 feet deep.
He's got some lungs. Something like that. Eh?